Hi, my name is Ismawati Karamo. Now I'm going to show you how we create a graph in the dashboard. First, we're going to create a graph of number of attacker and number of devices. And this will show of total incident and count of device type. Next, we create visualization. The type of graph, choose legacy matrix. And the matrix we choose count of record field. And it will show like this, count of record. Now we're going to click save and return. The next one is the graph. We also choose legacy matrix. But the available field, we're going to choose timestamp. And in the timestamp, we're going to set the maximum to unit count. And it will show like this 2009-68. The next one is we're going to create the source protocol and destination protocol graph. First, click create visualization. And choose attack cloud type. In attack cloud, for the field, first choose source protocol. And the matrix is count of record field. And it will show like this. The next graph, we change it to the destination protocol. And this is how it will show up. The last one is the graph for suspicious event on destination IP address. As you can see, it will show up the top 3 IP address with a suspicious attack. Suspicious IP address. The first one, we're going to create visualization. And we choose bar horizontal stack. For vertical axis, we're going to choose event type. And horizontal axis, as usual, we choose count of record. The top 5 value, we need to change it to 7 since this is the total event type that we have. And it will show like this, as you see. For the breakdown, we need to choose destination IP address. And now it will show top 3 of suspicious IP address. Suspicious IP address for each of the event type. I think that's all from me. I pass for the next person.
Assalamualaikum, I am Nora Shikin binti Zaidi. Next, I will show how to make the drop-down filter like this. Firstly, we need to click controls, then click add control. Then for the filter by type, we need to choose event type field. Then click save and close. Then here is the drop-down list that we can use for easier investigation. Okay, next, I will show how to make this count of record over timestamp graph. Firstly, we need to click create visualization, then change the visualization type to line graph. Then drag record field to vertical axis and timestamp field to horizontal axis. Next is this bar chart graph. Choose vertical bar type, then put destination port field at horizontal axis, and then change the function to top value, number of value to 6, and record field at the vertical axis. Next, let the graph break down to event type field. Then change the number of value to 7. That indicates the number of event type in the dataset. Next, this source table. First, we need to choose table virtualization type. Then at the row, we need to put source IP field. Then add more row using source protocol field. Then put source port field to the matrix and use functionless value for the matrix. The last one is the destination table. First, we need to choose table virtualization type, then add IP destination at the row. Then we need to add more field to the row add event type to the row. Then the last one, we need to add source port field to the matrix. Then this is the final table for the destination table. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Aina Natasha Bitafman. So I will walk through various visualization to help us to get the most out of our security data. So we can choose any type of filter, which is event type, filter by event security, filter by source geolocation city, and last is filter by device time. First, we choose the filter by event type, which is DDoS, and we can see the visualization data of DDoS. This is the number of attacks occur on every port DDoS that usually the attackers attack. And here is suspicious event on destination IP that only show the top 3 suspicious IP in every type of event. Next, we see the IP address where attack occur when the event with the event type and the destination port involved, which is show IP address that being detected or accessed by any IP address, and also show the event type that occur on the destination IP address and destination port being accessed. Next, we choose filter by event security, which is high risk level for all the event type, and it show for only high risk level. The number of attack occur in high level is 1460, and number of device time is 756. Next, we will use a detailed table to show the IP address being accessed. Next, we will use a detailed table to show the IP address being accessed, the event type occurring on those destination IPs, and the destination ports involved. This provides a comprehensive view of which IP under high risk rate and the nature of attack. If we want to know the data filter by device time, we just can only click at any date that we want to know. Then, if we want to go back for all data, we just click exist. For both source and destination protocol, we can use a pie chart or a bar graph to show all the protocols involved in the events. This helps in identifying the commonly used protocol which might be targeted. This is a table that lists suspicious source IP address along with the protocols, the use and the number of ports that they attempt to access. This helps in identifying potential malicious source of IP address, protocol, and port. Let's see which ports are most frequently attacked. We use a stack bar graph where the horizontal axis shows all port numbers involved and the vertical axis shows the number of events. Each port will be further broken down by event type, providing a detailed view of the activity per port, so that the SQL injection in port 25 is always detected. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naifah binti Muhammad Zain. Today I will continue our demonstration on IP address investigation using Kibana dashboard and VirusTotal. This tool help organization assess and respond to potential security threat. And there are 3 event type, which is true positive, false positive, and also true negative. First, let us start with true positive. We filter out the event severity with low. We choose low severity because to ensure all potential threat, regardless of severity level, are monitored effectively. After we filter out the event severity, we choose the destination IP address, which is 138.136.225.32. This is the top 7 attack on this IP address. The top one is DDoS. After that, we scan the IP address on VirusTotal. As you can see here, there is 11 malicious activity. And this is the community. This IP address came from China. And all these details from the IP address. After that, we filter out the event severity with height. We also can specify the attack for this investigation. For example, we take DDoS. And for false positive, we take the destination IP address of 23.227.28.74. This is all the DDoS for this IP address. The total device attack with DDoS is 55. After that, we scan this IP address of VirusTotal. As you can see here, they are green, and that means there is no malicious activity is detected on this IP address. You can say that this IP address is false positive because the Kibana dashboard detects malicious activity while the VirusTotal does not detect any malicious activity. As for true negative, we have choose normal event type because occur when both Kibana dashboard and also VirusTotal not detect any malicious activity for that IP address. As for True positive, we have choose IP destination IP address of 1.25.1.106. As you can see here, the Kibana dashboard does not detect any malicious activity. After that, we scan the IP address on VirusData. No malicious activity on this IP address at all, and you can see it here, it's green. And this is all the detail for this IP address. So we can say that this IP address is true negative. And that's it for me. Thank you.